Intro. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting new smartphones in 2025, the Infinix Zero 60 Pro. This phone is not just another launch, it's a statement from Infinix, showing that they are ready to challenge the big names in the smartphone industry. Let's dive into everything this device brings to the table. Starting with the design, the Infinix Zero 60 Pro comes with a sleek glass back, curved edges, and a premium metal frame. It feels like a flagship the moment you hold it. The circular camera setup on the back is bold, stylish, and gives the phone a modern identity. It comes in colors like midnight black, pearl white, and aurora green, so there's a choice for every personality. The display is one of the biggest highlights. We get a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with Quad HD Plus resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. Whether you are watching videos, gaming, or scrolling through social media, this display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and super smooth animations. Under the hood, the performance is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor paired with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. This combination ensures ultra-fast speed, smooth multitasking, and gaming without lags. For gamers, the phone delivers high frame rates and stable graphics, making it a strong choice in its category. Now let's talk about the camera setup. On the rear, we get a 200 megapixels primary lens with OIS, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This system captures sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos even in low light. For selfies and content creation, the 50 megapixels front camera supports 4K video recording, making it perfect for vloggers and influencers. Battery life is another big strength. The phone packs a 5500 mAh battery supported by 180W fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes. It also supports 80W wireless charging, something even many premium flagships don't offer. On the software side, it runs XOS 15 based on Android 15, with a clean interface and guaranteed updates for up to 3 years. Features like 5G+, Wi-Fi 7, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, and an in-display fingerprint scanner add even more value. So in short, the Infinix Zero 60 Pro combines style, power, cameras, and speed into one complete package. It's designed for gamers, content creators, and anyone who wants premium features at a reasonable price. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support motivates me to bring more high-quality videos every single day.